Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to search product using barcode. So let's see about that how to work it. You can see here our module Dev Product Search Barcode. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. Go to sales, go to products, go to anyone like Office Recent Software. Add here barcode of this product. Let's save. Now go to list view or search view. Add here same and see here this search barcode for this your added barcode number. You can easily see here Office Recent Software in add barcode number, so display here. Now open this and display here this same barcode number. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this helpful, give it like, share and subscribe.